Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to convert the units of time, days to hours, hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, days to minutes, days to seconds. At the end of the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. We know that for the time we use some units. For example, number of hours, how many number of minutes, how many number of seconds. So we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So I have written here days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. Now days and hours, I have written here 24 because 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Similarly, hours and minutes, I have written here multiply by 60 because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Similarly, from minutes to seconds, I have multiplied with 60 because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now, in the first part, it says we have to convert 26 days into hours. So whenever I have to do that conversion, I will see in days to hours, which number is mentioned here. So it's 24. That means if I have to convert days into hours, I will multiply 26 with 24. So when I multiply 26 with 24, I will get it equals to 624 hours. So that's the answer for part A. Similarly, for part B, it says 28 days and I have to convert it into minutes. So when I'll convert it into minutes, I will see from days to minutes, what numbers are there in that circle. So days to minutes. The numbers which are there in the circle are 24 and 60. That means 28 days will be equals to 28 into 24 into 60. So whatever the answer I'll get, that answer will be in terms of minutes. So if I will calculate it, I'll get it equals to 40,320 minutes. Similarly, for C part, it says 35 days to seconds. So when I'll do 35 days is equals to, so I will see from days to seconds. And if I'll make a circle for that, what all numbers are there? That needs to be multiplied with 35. Now in this circle, if you will see, from days to seconds, I have 24, 60 and another 60. That means if I have to change 35 days into seconds, I will multiply 35 with 24, then again with 60, then with 60. Whatever the answer I'll get, that will be in terms of seconds. So when I multiply it, I will get it equals to 3,024,000 seconds. Now, part D. Part D is about, we have to convert 13 hours to minutes. So 13 hours will be equals to. So I will make a circle from hours to minutes and I will see which number is there. That number I have to multiply with 13. So hours to minutes. So there is only one number there, which is 60. So that means I will multiply this 13 with 60 and I will get it equals to 780 minutes. Similarly, for part E, it says 45 minutes to seconds. So then I will make a circle from minutes to seconds and I will multiply with the number, whatever I can find out there within the circle. So if you will see, if I'll go from minutes to seconds, there is 60. So that means I will multiply 45 with 60 and I'll get it equals to 2,700 seconds. So this is how you can do the conversion of time using this particular row where I have already written some numbers with respect to days, hours, minutes and seconds.